Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all too familiar for many of us, especially during the humid summer months, preventing blackheads in humid weather conditions. But before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to Keto 30 Days Meal Plan Package for weight loss. If you're looking to shed those extra pounds and feel great, be sure to check out the link in the description below for more information. Now, let's jump into the video. So, let's talk about blackheads in humid weather. Humidity can wreak havoc on our skin, causing excess oil production and clogged pores, which leads to those pesky blackheads. But fear not. I've got some tips to help keep your skin clear and glowing, no matter how humid it gets. First off, it's crucial to cleanse your skin regularly, especially during humid weather. Opt for a gentle cleanser that effectively removes dirt, oil, and impurities without stripping away your skin's natural moisture barrier. Next up, incorporate a toner into your skincare routine. Toners help to balance the skin's pH levels and tighten pores, reducing the likelihood of blackheads forming. Moisturizing is key, even in humid weather. Look for oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizers that won't clog your pores. Hydrated skin is less likely to overproduce oil, which can contribute to blackheads. And of course, never skip sunscreen, even on cloudy days. Sunscreen not only protects your skin from harmful UV rays but also prevents excess oil production, which can exacerbate blackheads. Lastly, treat yourself to a weekly clay mask. Clay masks work wonders for drawing out impurities and absorbing excess oil from the skin, leaving it feeling fresh and clean. So there you have it, folks. With these simple tips, you can keep blackheads at bay, even in the stickiest of weather. And don't forget to check out Keto 30 Days Meal Plan Package for weight loss, to kickstart your journey to a healthier you.